If you are over 60 years old and struggling with restless nights, tossing and turning until dawn, what I am about to reveal could transform your sleep starting tonight. Stay with me until the end, because the third technique I will share has helped countless seniors fall asleep faster and wake up feeling truly refreshed. Millions of older adults face the same frustrating problem each night. They climb into bed exhausted, yet sleep refuses to come. Their minds race with thoughts, their bodies feel uncomfortable, and the hours tick by slowly. They have tried prescription medications that left them groggy the next morning. They have experimented with supplements that promised miracles but delivered nothing. They have invested in expensive mattresses and blackout curtains, yet quality sleep remains elusive. But here is something most people do not realize. The solution might already be sitting in your kitchen cupboard right now. I am talking about ginger, that knobby root you probably use for cooking. For thousands of years, traditional healers across Asia have recognized ginger as a powerful natural remedy for promoting restful sleep. They understood something that modern science is only now beginning to confirm. Ginger contains special compounds that work with your body's natural systems to encourage deep, restorative rest. Unlike sleeping pills that force your body into an artificial state, ginger supports your natural sleep cycle. It helps calm an overactive nervous system, improves blood circulation throughout your body, and creates the ideal internal conditions for genuine rest. Scientific research has identified two key substances in ginger called gingerol and shogal. These natural compounds have remarkable anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce physical discomfort that might keep you awake. They also support healthy blood flow, which is especially important for seniors whose circulation tends to slow down with age. When your blood moves efficiently through your body, your heart does not have to work as hard, your brain receives adequate oxygen, and your entire system can shift into rest mode more easily. Studies published in respected medical journals have shown that ginger can help regulate cortisol, which is your body's main stress hormone. High cortisol levels at night prevent deep sleep, but ginger helps bring those levels down naturally. Additionally, ginger encourages your body to produce more serotonin, a brain chemical that plays a crucial role in your sleep-wake cycle. Now let me share 3 practical methods you can start using immediately, and I will count them down from the gentlest approach to the most powerful one. Before we continue, if you are serious about improving your sleep naturally, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you never miss valuable health information that could change your life. The third method involves preparing a simple ginger and rock sugar drink. This gentle recipe has been passed down through generations because it works beautifully for most people. You will need fresh ginger root, about half of a medium-sized root, and a small amount of rock sugar. Start by washing the ginger thoroughly, but do not peel it, because the skin contains valuable nutrients. Slice the ginger into thin pieces and place them in a pot with approximately half a liter of water. Bring the water to a rolling boil. Then add your rock sugar and stir until it dissolves completely. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for 5 additional minutes. This simmering time allows the beneficial compounds in the ginger to fully infuse into the water. The rock sugar serves two purposes in this recipe. First, it adds a pleasant sweetness that makes the drink more enjoyable. Second, it has cooling properties that balance out ginger's natural heat, preventing any burning sensation in your mouth or throat. Drink this warm preparation in the afternoon or early evening, but not right before bedtime, because you do not want a full stomach interfering with your sleep. After just a few days of consistent use, most people notice they feel more relaxed during the day, and sleep comes more naturally at night. The second method takes a different approach by using ginger externally rather than internally. This technique involves soaking your feet in warm ginger water mixed with salt. Your feet contain dozens of pressure points that connect directly to your brain, heart, and nervous system. When you immerse your feet in warm ginger water, several beneficial things happen simultaneously. The warmth causes blood vessels in your feet to expand, which improves circulation throughout your entire body. Better circulation means your heart works less hard, your brain receives more oxygen and nutrients, and your nervous system shifts into a relaxed state. The salt in this formula enhances the warming effect while providing gentle antibacterial properties. To prepare this foot soak, take half a fresh ginger root, wash it well, and crush it with a knife or mallet to release the active compounds. Fill a basin with warm water at a temperature between 104 and 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the crushed ginger and 1 teaspoon of salt, then stir everything together. The water should feel pleasantly warm, but never hot enough to cause discomfort. Soak your feet for approximately 20 minutes before your usual bedtime. While soaking, gently massage your feet, paying special attention to your soles and toes. After 20 minutes, dry your feet thoroughly and put on a pair of clean socks. Wearing socks after your foot soak keeps your feet warm throughout the night, which helps maintain the relaxed state you have created. Many people report falling asleep faster and sleeping more soundly after incorporating this simple ritual into their evening routine. However, you should avoid this method if you have open wounds on your feet, severe diabetes with circulation problems, or if you have recently had surgery. Now we arrive at the most powerful method, which combines 3 ingredients into one exceptional sleep-promoting drink. This is ginger honey lemon tea, and it represents the ultimate natural approach to better sleep. Each ingredient in this formula serves a specific purpose. Ginger warms your body from within and helps relax tension in your nervous system. Honey provides natural sugars that stabilize your blood sugar levels during the night and encourages your body to produce sleep hormones. Lemon adds a refreshing flavor while providing vitamin C to support your immune system. When these 3 ingredients work together, they create a powerful synergy that prepares your body and mind for deep rest. To make this tea, start by boiling half a liter of water in a pot. Add 4 to 6 slices of fresh washed ginger and reduce the heat to low. Let the ginger simmer for 5 minutes so its essence fully infuses into the water. Turn off the heat and allow the water to cool slightly before adding 1 tablespoon of pure honey. Squeeze in the juice from 1/4 to 1/2 of a fresh lemon, depending on your taste preference. Stir everything together and drink this tea while it is still warm, ideally about 1 hour before you plan to go to bed. This timing gives your body enough time to absorb the beneficial nutrients and begin the relaxation process. For many people, simply sitting quietly and sipping this warm, aromatic tea becomes a cherished evening ritual that signals to their brain that sleep time is approaching. The combination of flavors, the warmth spreading through your chest, and the intentional pause in your evening all work together to shift your body into rest mode. Before you begin using these methods, please keep several important safety guidelines in mind. Always use fresh ginger that looks healthy and firm. Never use ginger that shows bruising or damage because it can develop harmful compounds. Do not overuse ginger by drinking extremely concentrated preparations every single day for months, because this can stress your liver. If you have a high fever, serious liver disease, uncontrolled diabetes, or severe high blood pressure, consult with your doctor before using ginger for sleep. Remember that ginger is a supportive tool, not a miraculous cure. For the best results, combine these ginger methods with other healthy sleep habits. Keep your bedroom cool and dark. Avoid caffeine and alcohol in the evening. Establish a regular sleep schedule, and give yourself time to unwind before bed. Good sleep does not happen by accident. It results from the consistent signals you send to your body each evening, and ginger can become one of your most reliable natural allies in that process. Choose whichever method feels most appealing to you, whether that is the gentle rock sugar drink, the relaxing foot soak, or the comprehensive honey lemon tea. Try it tonight and pay attention to how you feel tomorrow morning. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like this video and subscribe for more natural health solutions.